In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop OpenAI writer assistant with custom writing template SAAS. The example of this kind of script is Writerifly. Let's look at how it's going to look like after developing it. This is how it's going to look like. Look at some of the features: blog posts, that's all content posts, social media like Facebook, Instagram, email marketing, that's email related tools, academic writing like learning related, news articles, blog posts, SEO content, SEO keyword and tags, and so on. Also product description, describe your product. All these are some of the features of this script. Kindly use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. So for my file manager, I go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I have already uploaded my script. Yes, I'm going to extract it. Extract. Then I click on extract files. After extraction, I close this. Now here's the extracted file. Let me open it. I'm going to select all the contents in it. Then I'll move them to the root folder. Now select all. Move. I'm moving into the root folder. Move files. Now after moving them, let me say back. So now I will select the subdomain I'm using, open a new tab, paste it there, then enter. Okay, this is what I have. I'll now go to /public /install. So next I click on next step. So now I'm going to fill here, but to fill here I'll go back to my cPanel to create my database. Then I will now fill here with the data from the database that I created. So I'm going back to my cPanel, scroll down to my databases, manage my databases. So now here, let me name my database as Writerifly DB. Then I click on create database. Database created successfully, so that's why I click on go back. Next I'm going to click create the user. Okay, let me scroll down to go and create the user. Let me name my user as Writerifly DB user. Okay. Then next I click on create user. User created successfully. I click on go back. So next, after creating my user and my database successfully, I'm going to add my user to my database. Let me scroll down to add user to database. Yes, here is it. I will select the one I just created, Writerifly. Writerifly, here is it. Writerifly DB. Then I click on add. Now I'll give up privileges to the user. Scroll down to make changes. all privileges given successfully. Now let me copy my username. Back to my site. Host name is localhost. So username, visit, database. Okay. Then I click on next step. So next, I click on next step. Let me close this. Now I'll go back to my file manager to give storage app, storage framework, and logs to permission 775. File manager, storage. Let me open it. So the app, I'm giving it 775 permission. Framework 775 permission. Logs, same thing. Now let me go back to my site. App framework logs. The next one is bootstrap cache. So I click on back. Okay. Back to my site subdomain again. Now bootstrap. Cache 775. Save. Now let me go back to my site, then refresh. Alright, check permission again. All I set. Next, I click on next step. I've successfully installed it. As you can see, application has been successfully installed. So I will click here to exit. These are the login credentials. As you can see, it looks like the one I showed you earlier. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I successfully installed my script. Don't forget, if this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. And I can log in if I want to. Thank you.